سلام عليكم أحبائي المشاهدين. إليكم بسرعة أهداف المنتخب المغربي لسيدات الفوتسال ضد نظيره الكاميروني. فورجة ممتعة.
You get the feeling that may well go down. That was her first touch, Nadil. Besiktas player, Nadil. Kalani, simple tapping, he makes it 2-0. Great interchange as well between Malik Sayed Al-Kalani and Amal El-Awifi. Half. It's been fairly comfortable. Certainly deserving of their lead. Can they cut it open now? It's a great piece of play across the face. And now they are starting. Morocco start to pull clear. That's their 11th goal in Les Sudani. Spin from Mbouma Zuma, can't get the shot away. This is where Morocco are dangerous on the overload. Out wide from Hadi. That's a great ball in. Go into the semi-final. And look at this for a pass. The play. Ahmadani to Hajri. Hajri's given it away. This could be a chance. And on the second chance, a super save from Gelated by her teammates. Two swipes from Bakura and the 17-year-old. Said Al-Kalani again, great shot. Oh, Star El-Madani. Bruising. Caught by Bentaleb. And now the break is on. Demawi. Swept towards the back post and turned in. They have done exactly the same 48 hours later.
بهذا الفوز ضمنت سيدات الفوتسال بلوغ دور نصف النهائي لكأس إفريقيا وكذا بطاقة العبور لكأس العالم. حظ موفق للبؤات الأطلس.